Love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here.
Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting video for you guys today. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a Walmart haul. I am super excited. It's been a long time. Literally, probably, I think maybe 2 to 3 years. I think my last Walmart haul was like in 2017, 2018, but it's been a long time since I've done a Walmart haul, and I love Walmart. I just don't have the patience sometimes to like just go in there and really spend time in there. And I just wanted to show you guys how I dress some of the Walmart items that I got. Most of these items are very much casual, but for me, for some reason, I'm on this like casual trend right now. So I'm really much into like sweat sets or like cardigans and things like that, so I can just throw on for the fall. I don't really want to do much. Just keep in mind, since this is a Walmart haul, I am definitely going to try and link everything down below. If it's not available, check your local Walmart. And then also throughout this haul, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how to shop at Walmart and just how to dress the items up or down. So hope you guys enjoy. If you are new here, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, majority fashion. So if you like my vibe or what you see here today, don't be shy. Definitely click the subscribe button. It definitely helps me out a lot. Your girl is trying to reach 200K by the end of the year. I'm gonna stay hopeful. Give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Don't forget to follow me at iDESIGN8 on Instagram. I post all of my life updates and fashion posts over there. So yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. Now I know whenever you go into Walmart, because I feel like this as well, it may seem like it's just overwhelming, you know what I mean? Like, you know, it's just a lot going on. I would say tip number one, whenever going into Walmart, you need to make sure that you have some time on your hands, you know, a little bit of time to spare. Don't go with the kids, don't go with your boo or, you know, spouse or whatever, because, you know, they're not gonna have that much time. You gotta go for yourself, sis, okay? And tip number two is go to the men's section, period, sis. So that tip actually brings us to the first look here, which you guys absolutely loved on my Instagram. Like, y'all really like this look. It's like a blue heather set. I love this, y'all. I've literally worn this probably like 3 or 4 times within the past like week or so. Okay, shame on me. It's a crew neck here, and then also some sweatpants right here. I got the crew neck in a size medium, and then I got the bottoms in a size small. I did not try any of this on. I don't know if the dressing rooms are open or not. I think the last time I checked they were not, so I didn't try anything on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then we're gonna go ahead and style it. All right, so I have the sweat set on, which is like, baby, this is super cute. I love it so much. I didn't have my size in other colors at Walmart. Once I posted this picture, I seen how much you guys were really liking the outfit. But I was like, baby, let me go ahead before I post this haul. I'm sorry, but I had to do it. I was like, let me go ahead and get a few more of these sets. So I actually went online and ordered a few more of the sets, because I was like, y'all not about to just take this from me, okay? Like, I'm gonna share it with y'all. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all on, which some of y'all or a lot of y'all have already been put on, but I was like, yes, let me go ahead and get it. Crew neck here is a medium, and you know, this is just how it fits on me. If I just bring it up like here, this is how it fits. Very much comfortable. It doesn't look bad whatsoever. So I really like this size on me. And here are the bottoms, and they fit really well on me as well. So bam. But right now I'm just wearing my DSGN label necklace. Don't worry, I have another drop coming, you know, in the next month or so. So I'm just gonna add this blazer. I got this blazer from Goodwill, literally girl, $3.99. So check your local like thrift store for like quality blazers. I'm going to take this side and, you know, kind of tuck it in, and it's like a little slant look. Real cute or whatever. And then I'm going to take this bag that I got from Miss Lola and these heels that I got from Miss Lola, and I'm just gonna put it all together and make a look. And let's step back on the girls. Bam. Very much classy, very much bougie, very much rich. Okay, you really like, this is how the rich people wear it, okay? Like they get sweat sets, they throw a blazer on and some heels and call it a day. I don't really remember the cost, but I'm gonna round up. I think the pants were $8 and the crew neck was $8. So for the next look, I am just going to add my all white Converses. I really love these, and plus I don't really have any other like sneakers, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really own too many pair of sneakers, so if you have like, you know, some bomb sneakers to go with this outfit, definitely do you, girl. And then I am just going to add this big navy blue or midnight blue bag. Here's the whole look, very much casual. You can also add like an oversized jean jacket to it if you would like. But yeah, so real cute. Something very simple on the go. Maybe you out with bae. Like, girl, this is cute. Okay, I love this. And I just kind of scrunched it up a little bit. Alright, girls, so tip number 3 is shopping in the little boy section. You guys know I love me some sets, okay? I do. So I picked out this set right here from the little boy section. Super cute. I actually went up a few sizes when it came to the top as well as the bottom. I knew that I wanted this to be like more of like a slim fit on me. In the shirt, I got this in a size large. So I got these bottoms in a 2X. It reminds me of that JLex label type of fit. So yes, these were no more than like $5 a piece. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, they were no more than $5 a piece, and maybe a whole still like $10 for this whole outfit. Okay, alright you guys, so now I have the next set on. I don't really have the right bra on with it, so please excuse that. I have like a strapless bra on with it, and with shirts like this I would definitely wear a bra with straps. And I haven't done any styling to it at all, and this is just how it looks. It is super cute. I love it so much. It fits very well on me, and I'm so happy, you know, just to show you. I am so happy with, you know, just the sizing, and your girl was like straight on. Like literally I did not try any of these items on. The bottoms are soft, the top is soft, it's great quality, and it's cheap. Okay, I know some of you guys don't like a lot of talking, but it's really hard because I definitely want to give you as much information as possible. But anyway, I think these tops right here are essential to have, so if you can get these in a lot of different colors, go ahead, girl, because you can literally throw these tops on with anything, high-waisted bottoms, jeans, skirts, whatever. They kind of stop a little bit above the ankles because I do have them high-waisted. So what I'm going to do is just tuck this in. I like to kind of like stretch up and then relax, and you know, it kind of gives you like this little overlap look, you know what I mean, like right here. But I actually got a cardigan, which is this right here. So I got this cardigan from the junior girls section, and I got this in a 2X. Already super cute. Adding jewelry to your outfits really just takes it up a notch. And I'm just gonna throw on these Perspex heels that I got from Miss Lola. You can literally find Perspex heels anywhere. And this little bag here, I don't know if you can see it, that I got from Shein. But honestly, I would add an anklet bracelet, but I'm really lazy, you guys, so I didn't do it. I would personally do the cardigan like off the shoulder, and this is how we got it, sis. Bam. Come through Walmart. Literally everything is from Walmart except for the shoes and the bag, sis. Okay, you're getting the JLex label look, but it's Walmart prices, period. So I also got this top right here. It was actually $3.98, so it wasn't even $5, sis. It was $4 for this top. So I got the same top, but I just got it in this color. Like I said, you can do so many different things with this. You can definitely throw some jeans on with it. I honestly would have gotten the bottoms, but they didn't have the bottoms in my size. But I still decided to go ahead and pick this up because it is just an essential top to have, you know what I mean, for the fall. So I'm just gonna throw this on, and I'm just gonna throw on some jeans. These are just some high-waisted jeans I got from Shein, any pair of jeans will work. So I really like this look here. All right, so I'm just gonna take this little purse that I got from Target. It looks very flimsy and everything like that right now, but once I actually put things in, it does start to like fill out a little bit more. So yeah, it's this purse, and then I'm gonna take these boots. They're a little bit off, just a little bit off from the shirt, which is completely fine. I love the distressed pants with the boots, with the little, you know, slim fit top. It's super cute. You can definitely do plain jeans or heels. Alright, you guys, so just wanted to show you a little work look really quick. Nice casual look for work. Throw on some heels and a bag and keep it pushing. The next tip is literally getting a bunch of these shirts right here from the little boys section, going up a size or two. I think it goes all the way up to a 2X, maybe a 3X if I'm not mistaken, but definitely get a bunch of these shirts here. Like I stated, they were only $3.98, so $4. You can definitely get about 4 or 5 different tops. A lot of these tops that looks like this in other places are like $15+. So here are the last bottoms that I got from Walmart. These are the same exact ones as the burgundy ones, except for these are black. And again, I got this in a 2X. All right, so I literally just added like a camel jacket to it. You don't have to, you can do like an all black jacket. And I just added some little like sock boots to this. I really like this whole little outfit. It would be really cute if, you know, you were going to the fair or whatever. So here's a solid black coat. Yep, up to you on how you dress this. Is she giving booty? Is she giving booty back there? Like, do you see a little, you know, you gotta stand really weird like this. Bam, you'll see me, period. All right, so I only got 2 more items. But I also got this cardigan right here, which is the same as the first cardigan that I showed you. This is just in this kind of like rustic burgundy, you know what I mean, color. You really want an oversized look, you know what I mean? It looks really, really good for the fall. So don't stick to your size, sis. Go up an extra size or 2 or 3. So I have this little black bodysuit on here from my boutique. Girl, I am so out of breath. Which is DSG label. It's no longer available, sis. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have something, like I said, I'm gonna have something coming for y'all real soon, okay? With that being stated, sis, I am not about to leave y'all hanging. You can definitely get these bodysuits like this from Naked Wardrobe or JLux label. They are a little bit more on the expensive side, but you know, just letting y'all know. Oh, we giving it to the girls, period. Okay. Yes, and y'all know, one off the shoulder. So I am about to step back. The only thing that I did was added this black bag that I got from Nasty Gal, and these little pointy toe sock boots that I got from Public Desire, I think. This is our whole look, period. Alright, you guys, so here's the last item that I got from Walmart. Bam. Okay, she looking skinty. Mimi. So yes, I got this from the junior section, and I got this in an extra small because it seemed extremely stretchy. And you guys know, like, whenever it comes to dresses, like for dresses, I like for it to be, you know, skin tight on the girl, showing body, yada yada. So I'm hoping, I did not try this on, so I'm hoping that it will fit. I normally, to be honest with you, wouldn't go for a style like this. I don't really like crisscross applesauce type of, you know, thing that it has going on right here in the front. It just kind of reminds me of high school. You know, that's just something that I feel like I used to wear in high school. Not to say that it's not cute. You know, see how it is. I hope it gives your girl body. All right, so here it is. And I wish I had an extra small, okay? It's not a bad looking dress. So, you know, like, it's not a dress that like really hugs you. Like, as you can see, it's just got a little bit of extra room right here. And I don't really like that, but like I said, it's not a bad look. Super cute. Alright you guys, so here's just a little look that I created. This will be just a nice little date night with babe. If you're going to dinner with your girls, you can do something like this. I just threw on these Perspex heels. I got this little bag that I, stole from my mom so many years ago. And that completes the Walmart haul. Alright Design Squad, so that completes this Walmart fall haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what was your favorite look or how you would dress some of these pieces. Don't forget to check the description box. It's going to have everything that you need in the description box down below. If it's not there, that means it's not available, it's sold out, or I just couldn't find it. Definitely give the video a thumbs up and a share if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.